My learning journey this semester was a cohesive, transformative exploration of the Christian vocation, moving from the foundational understanding of the family unit to the specific requirements for living out the call to love and holiness. We began by establishing the family in Module 1 as the indispensable domestic church and cell of the society, which clarified my civic and spiritual duties as a Letranite. In Module 2, immediately provided the internal tools for strengthening this subject, highlighting the authentic communication and Trinitarian love as essential for family healing and growth. This built into Module 3, where I engage in the personal task of vocational discernment, learning that my fundamental call to love must be expressed through a specific state of life, requiring the prerequisite of peace and surrender. While in Module 4, they gave the theological depth to one of these paths, confirming marriage as an indissoluble sacramental covenant patterned on Christ and the Church. Finally, in Module 5, provided the practical culmination, focusing on the systematic preparations, remote, proximate, and immediate, and the ethical and moral commitment to responsible and responsive parenthood, equipping me not just with knowledge but with a holistic framework for a living, a mission-driven life in service to God, family, and community.